Friends, welcome to our knowledge channel, Great Indian Knowledge Channel. The topic on which we will share some knowledge is top 50 general science unbelievable facts and questions. These are some interesting facts and questions which can come in any competitive exams. So these are very important for students. We will start with which gas is most popular as laughing gas? The answer is nitrous oxide. Deficiency of vitamin D causes dash. The answer is it causes disease called rickets. The proteins are made up of. The answer is amino acids. What is the name of the acid that is secreted in the stomach? Answer is HCl, or also known as hydrochloric acid. Which among the following is not an example of carbohydrates? A. Maltose, B. Fructose, C. Glycogen, D. Glycine. The answer is glycine. Who invented penicillin? Answer is Alexander Fleming. Which is known as the suicide bags of cells? The answer is lysosomes. Which gland controls the blood pressure? The answer is adrenal gland. Who discovered cell? The answer is Robert Hooke. What is the outermost boundary of the cell? Answer is plasma membrane. Name of vegetable which is also known as a flower. It is called broccoli. Name the process in which the passage of water goes from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. The answer is osmosis. Electrical filament is made up of. The answer is tungsten. Name the pigment which is responsible for absorption of light in plants. The answer is chlorophyll. Who had given the theory of evolution of species by natural selection? The answer is great scientist Charles Darwin. Name a disease caused due to deficiency of iodine. The answer is goiter. Which is known as energy currency of cells in biology. Answer is ATP, or adenosine 5-triphosphate. Name the system that controls every activity that you do. The answer is nervous system. Name an organelle which serves as a primary packaging area for molecules that will be distributed throughout the cell. The answer is Golgi body. Stapes, the smallest and the lightest bone in human body, is the part of which organ? The answer is ear. A gene is made up of dash. Answer is DNA. Tuberculosis is caused by. The answer is it is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The compound used in anti-malarial drug is. It is chloroquine. All enzymes are made up of dash. The answer is proteins. Who discovered the cell nucleus? The answer is Robert Brown. Plants have dash while animals lack it. What is it? The answer is cellulose. The basic building block of all living organisms and smallest unit of organization in a living thing is. The answer is cell. The disease caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. The answer is beriberi. Glands also known as ductless glands. The answer is endocrine glands. The carbohydrate present in milk is. Answer is lactose. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? The answer is kangaroo rat. 1 horsepower is equal to dash. It's equal to 746 watts. Which is the fastest flying insect? Answer is horsefly. Hormones are produced by dash. Answer is endocrine glands. What is the normal value of blood sugar in the body? The answer is 80 to 120 milligram per 100 ml of blood. Which is the largest blood vessel in the body? Answer is aorta. Which chemical was used earlier for giving anesthesia to patients? The answer is diethyl ether. Which is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer is nitrogen. Which gases cause acid rain? Answer is sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide oxides. Which is the purest form of carbon? Answer is diamond. Due to the phenomenon, the roots of a plant grow towards the ground. The phenomenon is geotropism. Which organ of the body produces the fluid known as bile? Answer is liver. Which plant hormone plays most important role in establishing dormancy in seeds? The answer is abscisic acid. Which disease is characterized by complete loss of memory? Answer is amnesia. Clove is which part of the plant? It is a flower bud. If red blood cells are kept in a distilled water, what will happen? The answer is they will increase in volume and burst. The fiber obtained from the coconut tree is called? The answer is coir fiber. Vaccination was started by dash. Answer is Edward Jenner. The great Indian scientist Hargobind Khurana got Nobel Prize for research on? Answer is genetic code of the cell and controls of the cell's synthesis of proteins. The only flowering plant found in the sea is dash. Answer is seagrass. So friends, if you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel so that we can produce further good knowledgeable videos. So thanks for watching and please share with your friends and students.